This video is based on the research of Tech Gear Lab, a team that bought 10 blenders out of 30 and blended up countless smoothies, putting each model through its paces and evaluating everything from performance to ease of use. They also highlighted some of the unique features that set certain models apart and discussed how each one packs up in stores. So whether you're looking for the best overall or the best value, stay tuned as we have all the information you need to make an informed decision. Best portability. The NutriBullet Go is an ideal solution for those who are looking for a compact and portable blender. The blender comes with a small cup that can fit comfortably in the palm of your hand and a secure lid with an additional strap. Its durability has been tested with drop trials, and it has proven to be resilient with no leakage or damage. Additionally, the battery life is impressive, allowing for extended use. The blending performance is also noteworthy, with frozen fruits blending smoothly, but it might have some difficulty blending banana slices. All in all, the NutriBullet Go is an excellent choice for those in need of an easy-to-carry portable blender. To know this product's today price, click its appropriate link from the video description below. Best Grab and Go Travel Cup. The Cuisinart Evolution X Compact is a versatile portable blender that offers the convenience of cordless blending. Its sleek design boasts a powerful motor that can effortlessly crush ice and blend even tough ingredients such as spinach. Its unique flip-top lid feature allows for easy conversion from blending cup to travel cup and eliminates the need to bring the motor base along. This makes it an ideal choice for those looking for a high-performance blender that can be easily taken on the go. However, with its motor base, it does take up more space than other portable options. To know this product's today price, click its appropriate link from the video description below. Best Performance. The Blender X Cordless is the ultimate portable blender for those who demand more from their appliances. Its impressive power allows for quick and easy crushing of ice and frozen fruits, making it perfect for creating large batches of frozen drinks for gatherings with friends. The larger bottle capacity also adds to its convenience. While the Blender X may come at a higher cost than other standard blenders, its performance and custom sling-style dry bag to combat bulkiness makes it worth the investment for those who want a portable blender that can handle more. To know this product's today price, click its appropriate link from the video description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and tech content. See you next time.